Since the world's most comfortable pen, we all salute you. And I sure know that you let your heart soar today. Also, a very special and heartfelt salute to all of our armed forces who have made it possible for us to enjoy this freedom. And to our host, Colonel Chris O'Connor, United States Marine Corps Commanding Officer of MCAS Miramar. It has been a great honor to fly for all of you today.